As you can probably tell, I just got out of the shower. My hair is still soaking wet. And I have an ice cream box. Ice cream's like, I think it's $21.95 plus shipping, so it ends up around $30-ish. And you get a palette. It's always all makeup, or 99% of the time all makeup, and you get a palette every single time. At least one palette, sometimes more than one. Sometimes you'll get like a cheek palette and an eye palette or whatever. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Iconic Mirabella. I think I have one of these, and I'm not very good at it yet, but I might pass this on to one of you guys. It's one of those, I believe, or is this it? One of these, it says on the card, is one of those eyeliner stamp things. But I don't know if this is it or it's the other. There's another skinny box too. I think this is it. I don't want to open it all the way. Yeah, it's got a liner and a stamp. And it stamps like a little triangle in here. And then you use the eyeliner. Because I already have one of these. I don't want to open this one because it's still got the plastic on it. I want to keep it for one of you guys. So that is the first thing. And it cost $20. This is, the light's on, I still can't, it says Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Yeah, I'm not a gloss girl. Don't like gloss. I know it's rose oil, which makes it better, but also can't stand rose-scented things, so this is definitely not going to be for me. I'll show y'all what it is. It looks like it's mostly clear. It's got roses on the, but I will never use it because I don't like lip oil, I don't like gloss, and I don't like roses, so don't like any of it. Okay, get back in there, you. Maybe it goes in the other way. Yep, that's how it goes. So this is definitely going to be a giveaway, and this is definitely going to be a giveaway. I had one of these a while ago, and I just never used it, but I might try it. It's a banana powder. It's kind of a yellowish color. I don't think it turns you yellow, though. I think it's just like a setting powder. Oh, let me look at the lip oil. Lip oil's $20. This setting powder is Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder, $30. So we're already up to like $70, and we still have 2 more items to go. So we're already more than double the value of this, what I paid for this box. This is Be a Bombshell Big Teal Eye Base. I mean, I'm not sure what an eye base is it? I don't know. Can't get it open. I'm trying not to tear it in case I decide I don't want it, but I can't get the box open. Yep, well, shoot, I tore it, but might as well just tear it the rest of the way, get it open. There it goes. Oof. That's definitely teal. Don't know if I would use that or not. Maybe? I won't swatch it because I haven't decided if I'll keep it or not. But it's a cream eye base. And last but not, oh, let me see how much that is first. That is $14. And last but not least is an Ace Beauty Quintessential palette. I guess that means it probably has a bunch of different colors on it. Here's what the box looks like. It's a huge palette. Got those little half circles on it you gotta pick off to get it to open. Because I didn't bring over a box knife or anything. So I gotta pick at it and get those little half circles to pull off. I've noticed when I rewatch my videos, when I'm concentrating on tearing this stuff out, I kind of make a face. like I'm trying real hard. Okay, it's bubble wrapped inside, so that's nice. Okay, let's see. What do we got? Got a no mirror. Jasmine, clove, amber, cinnamon, mandarin, juniper. But look at this, it's got all kinds of colors on it. Let's swatch a couple. That's these bottom three right here. So, look at this rose one. That's that one right there. So it's very pigmented, which is nice. There's a silver. Well, Starry Nights is silver. Bergamot is kind of a gold color, and Jasmine's kind of a beigey color. And then there's amber that are all like kind of sparkly. I don't know if you can see how these are kind of more glittery and these are more flat, and that's glittery, that's glittery. These 1, 2, 3, 4 ones are kind of glittery and the rest are, well, there's another glittery one. So it's kind of half and half, or maybe 2/3 to 1/3. But this is nice. Oops, I turned sideways. I think I will keep this, although I have so many palettes that my drawer got stuck because I had so many palettes in it. I've got to find someplace to keep all my palettes. That's going to be one of my things. I'm going tomorrow to IKEA to look around for some storage solutions. I'm leaning towards getting either at the Container Store or maybe online a rack to hang over the back of my bathroom door where I can put like some baskets or jars or whatever to put all my stuff in, because there's room under the sink for cleaning supplies and the pipes, and that's about it. And then 2 little bitty drawers that are about that wide, and that's pretty much it. That bathroom has no storage. I bought some, oh, it's in my last video I did yesterday. There's a little clip of it. I bought some that peel and stick vinyl, but it looks like wood because it's long, 36 inches long and 3 inches wide, so it looks like planks of wood to put under the sink to kind of protect the fake wood underneath the sink and make it look better. So I got to get that put in before sometime in the next month before I move in. So I am going to IKEA and I will bring you with me. I'm going tomorrow, but of course you won't see the video for a while. So what'd you think of this ice cream? I always like ice cream because you get a nice palette. I mean, this palette's worth $40, so it's worth more than the box, just the Ace Beauty palette. Beauty. The total value of this box is, let's see, 30, 50, 70, 184, I mean 80, not 184, 84, $134. is the value of this box, according to them. So a couple of these things, for sure, these two, the lip gloss and the eye stamp thing, will be going in a later giveaway. If you haven't gone back and seen it, I've still got a couple active giveaways. One is my 600 subscriber giveaway, and so it's a big old box of stuff. And then there's also a Spring Fling, I think it was called, that there's another till Friday you have to enter that one. So that one has got a bunch of people doing giveaways. My 600 subscriber giveaway is just me. But the Spring Fling one, you can go follow the playlist and enter a bunch of giveaways. I've got hair falling out. It's funny how the gray hair seems to fall out more than the black hair, which is a good thing, I guess. Because, you know, considering I am 72, this is my natural color. Of course, it looks a little darker because it's wet, but still a lot of brown. I mean, up underneath here, there's some gray, but still quite a lot of brown. I guess that's it. Tell me what you think of Eyescream. I've quit BoxyCharm and I've quit Ipsy for this one. This is definitely my favorite. I also used to do Diva Bag by Sonia, and I quit that one too. So this is the only beauty box I do at the moment. I might add one of those other ones back on, but I doubt it. I'll just probably keep this one. Yeah, I mean, how much makeup do you need? I give a lot of it away, and there's only so much I can keep. There's only so much room you have. And with me moving, I realize how much I actually have and how I need storage for it all. Today is, let's see, Tuesday. I'm filming it on Monday, but you're going to see it on Tuesday. So happy Tuesday. And let me know what you thought of this box. I think it's a very pigmented eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to have to find something to wash it off with. I will put up my Come With Me to IKEA video later on in the week, so watch for that. See what I bought. I don't really want to, but my friend is going and driving me. I don't really want to go upstairs and look at all the rooms because that's so much walking and it's just all looking at how they design the rooms and stuff. I really want to go downstairs to the shopping part. But she wants to go look at all the rooms, and she's kind enough to drive me clear down to my doctor's appointment down in Dallas and then over to Frisco, which is another out-of-the-way place from where we live. So I should do what she wants to do, right? Since she's kind enough to drive me around. I can always find someplace to sit down and rest if I get tired all the walking. Plus they have, I don't remember what food they have. I know they have Swedish meatballs, but I hear they have good food down in their cafe besides Swedish meatballs. That's the only thing I remember. I've been to IKEA in like many, many, many years. But I've been going online and looking and writing down the Swedish names for some of the things I'm interested in. Like I want a lamp. I've got one and I wanted one similar to this. See if you can see it. There it goes. That's the kind of lamp I want, where part of it shines up and the other part I want to have it so it shines over my craft table. So I'm looking for one of those. Gave you a glimpse of my messy bedroom. So watch for my IKEA video and tell me what you think of Eyescream Beauty, and I will see y'all real soon.